Hello, welcome to 1,000 subscribers story. I created this channel for you. I have another monetized channel, but this one is for you. If you have a YouTube channel that's under 1,000 subscribers, you consider yourself to be a new YouTuber or a small YouTuber. This channel is for you, and this message is for you, because I'm showing you how we're going to make money on our small channels. And it's not going to be just money, it's going to be passive money. Like Robert Kiyosaki said, you think about it like you have a little house and people live in it and you get money every month. I'm going to show you, but we're going to do it on Skool. So what I've done is I created a community. I call it Passive Wealth with Sherifa. All this happens on the Skool platform. And I've been recording many videos over here explaining Skool. So this time is not for explaining Skool. So over there, you come, and I'm about to share a screen to show you what it looks like inside in this community. I took time to think about the YouTubers and what they need. Because you could start a YouTube channel, but you really don't know how YouTube works. And YouTube is changing. In fact, that's why I also decided to create this other channel, because I have another one. Like I said, I created that 7 years ago. YouTube is changing. Let me create a new channel now and see how YouTube is. And I'm pleasantly surprised because YouTube is getting better and better. So this one is to show you that you can actually make some money before YouTube monetization, because I'm showing you 3 ways that you could make money as a beginner without spending any money, because it's all in free trials. And if I'm close to you, I'm going to show you how to make money before you even pay a single dime. So let me show you this community, what it looks like. I'm sharing screen. I have 3 other communities, but this one is the unique one, because finally I can guide you to create your channel, to put it together properly. So when you come over here, you see that I have a video. This video here will explain everything that's going on. This community here is to talk to you about how do we change our YouTube channels or transform our YouTube channels and our Skool communities into assets that provide passive money, the way someone who has a building gets money every month. So that's what this is all about. Only here you could be paid even every week. You don't have to wait for a whole month. So if you're thinking for the first time, by the way, I'm Sherifa Nakalema. I'm very excited about business, anything to do with business, because that's where independence is. We make it passive money, then even it's better, because you could even sleep and somebody will still show up. Thank you for the one who created this Skool platform, because it made it easier. I'm in Virginia, USA. After a joke that has been, it's not a joke, it's true. I lived in the same zip code for 30 years. But I'm originally from Uganda, East Africa. And my background is, my first degree was in economics. Then I come here in America, I do some accounting. But I love business. So now I love business. And as I'm talking to you here, I have a YouTube channel, which is almost 15,000 subscribers. And I have 1,600 videos as I'm recording this. Some are short, but that's a lot of videos, right? It's fully monetized, but I'm talking about YouTube, my life a little bit, but let me move it. I want to show you inside. I want to show you inside this community, because you can watch that video. So what I've done, when you come, you start here, you introduce yourself. YouTube resources here, you're gonna love that. Skool news over here. Skool resources, make your YouTube channel an asset, make your Skool community an asset, because we're going to create a community. That's why we make the money. And then what I recommend, some tools and things. When you go live, the replays will be here. And then here, I believe in personal development. How do we get better as people every day? What I recommend will be right there. Then when you start a community, I made it easier for you. I recorded tutorials, how you set it up, how you add a price, how you do all these. So they're all here. Yeah. But let me go to this more important one, this one here, because that's where you're going to find details about YouTube. Okay, how do you set up a YouTube channel? Okay, what is a video? What is a short? What is a live? How are they different from each other if you're on YouTube? There are YouTube videos, there are YouTube shorts, and there are YouTube lives. You need to know the difference. I give you tips here on long form and shorts and lives, tips for recording shorts, how you grow your channel, 95 video title ideas, hooks, like how do you start videos. Then there's something very important. You have to know something called analytics, YouTube analytics. Now, the analytics, that's how you know how your channel is doing. But there are two levels. There is a channel level analytics, that's how your whole channel is doing. And then there is the video level analytics. For example, if you wanted to know how much money you are making, if you are a monetized channel, there is the channel level will tell you, okay, you made so much a month. But the video level will tell you which video is making the most money. So you need to learn how to analyze all this. So when you come in here, those are the kind of things we actually do, we focus on. I come live, when you call, like over here, there's a calendar. We go live on Skool. We also go live on Zoom. I just finished the Zoom one. And this is a new community, actually. And over here, that's where we post. For example, we welcome you over here. And I say add your YouTube questions over here. We come and answer those. You add them anytime. We welcome members as they come in. Yeah, it's fun. Over here, you post anything right here. That's where the discussion happened. I showed you the classroom. There is a leaderboard. It's really fun over here because we are different levels. See, I just started it. I'm already on level 3. So levels matter because they give you access to things according to, see, like to those live replays, like when you miss it and you're not there, you have to be a level 6 to access those. We want you to be here as things are happening, but the replays, maybe I may change it depending on how people behave. We may lower it and give it to you, but that's how I set it up for now. So this community is so special. I have 3 other communities, but this one is so special to me because finally I'm focused on YouTube. And finally, I want to show people that actually can make money before monetization, which, because me, originally, I'm an affiliate marketer for the past 7 years. So I want to show you that actually, because of this Skool platform, they made affiliate marketing easier. You can promote, there are 3 ways now you can very easily make money, even starting today. You promote the Skool platform, or you promote communities like mine, or you create your own community. But whatever you do, you have to create your own community. Everything starts off free. You don't have to pay anything today. Even my community, free 7 days. And Skool is free 14 days. So we don't have any excuse. At least you try it out and see. But we are here to show you that this is possible. The purpose of this video is to introduce passive wealth with Sherifa. My intention is to show you how you create a YouTube channel and make it an asset that live long after we are all gone. Bob Proctor had a YouTube channel. It's still law of attraction. He's still teaching, but he's dead. Another one was Jim Rohn. He's teaching, watch his videos every day. He's gone. So you can come and create a YouTube channel as an asset. This side, the YouTube, but then the other side, the Skool community. So me, I love business. I can show you how we create our business and it stays working even after we are dead. That's beautiful. That's how the rich people did it. We set it up in a way that even when you die, it still helps your children and grandchildren. That's how I set up mine, and I'll show you how you do the same. So my mind is forward. I just turned 59 years young, so I'm thinking old age right now. But you could make money in other ways. For me, I'm focused on this passive one, but you could make it in other ways. Okay? There's so many opportunities. So thank you for watching it. Please share with a YouTuber. If you're not interested in this, just share with someone else. But if you don't want to record videos yourself, you can come still and promote my communities. But the requirement is you have to post at least a video. So I call you a YouTuber, at least 1 video or 2. And then also you are required to start a Skool community. Or you can't have access, the things you want you to have access to, then yeah. So when you are watching me and say, but me, I don't like to record videos, that's okay. Put just 1 faceless video on your channel so you qualify, because I say you have to be a YouTuber. Okay, YouTuber meaning you post something. But I can talk to you and say, okay, you be here, just focus on inviting others and earn commission. As I'm recording this, I'm inviting people to promote this what I'm doing. promote the Skool community because it's new. Later, things may change, but I'm not paying commission today, but I'll pay commission to those people who come in at the beginning. At some point, I'll say, okay, now invite others, I'll pay you. At this point, you get in, and then, so when you see this one and you want someone who wants, someone who wants to make some money, share it with them. Get in there, and then after you set the commission, you just invite YouTubers. Only YouTubers are the ones I want over there, because I like to support them. They already put in the work and they're not making any money. I'll show you how to make some money. Okay? That's how I always end my videos. I think I could say it. I say it in the other channel. I say it here. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Take care of your health. Take a step to a better you. See, I have a brand on the other channel. That's why I sell these. These are my t-shirts. And I have cups too that go with them. You want to see? Yeah. So when you come, you can do all this. Take a step is my mission, to encourage you to take a step. Please don't be shy. Just check it out. Okay? Take a step to better you. Like it, share it, and I'll see you over there.